Today, I visited Saratoga Homes in the Morningstar master plan community located in Georgetown, Texas. This community is about a 40-minute drive north of downtown Austin. David Baumbach, founder of Saratoga Homes, an Army veteran who took the values he learned while serving and applied them to his next endeavor in the home building industry. So why Saratoga? Well, the Battle of Saratoga was a great turning point of the American Revolutionary War because it won foreign assistance, which was the last element needed for American victory. This is why Saratoga was chosen as the name. Pretty cool, huh? David Baumbach has a simple goal: create a committed family of employees who deliver on the opportunity to live the American dream and become an extension of their family. If you're in the market to buy new construction in Austin or its surrounding areas, give me a call